All right, my fans, all around the world, don't forget it. This is your number one, your favorite agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie Agri. Just like I told us, we are back live and direct. You know, understand? And in this video, I want to quickly show us. I've never done this before, so I think I need to show us so that you guys will see. There's a saying that everything is worth trying. So now with me, I did do. So I have tried it, and I think it's gonna be yielding. I want to show us. I've never planted onions before. We basically know that these things are done in the north. You understand? But I am right here in the south region of this country. So, and I just picked an onion that was already germinating. So I put it on the ground, and then let me show us so that you see. You know, understand? I'll show us now. Let me mount this camera so that everybody will see what I'm saying. Okay. No, let me show us. Now, if you look here, this is something that I just used to cover it up. You don't understand? So that I made it, you know, today. How is it called? Sorry for that. So you can see, if you look closely here, this is like where I put it. You see, and I can see it is coming up. Oh guys, don't play. Something that you think that you see in the north only. I just haba. So now so they do amo. Alright, come let me show us. I'm gonna lift this cup. This is like a cup. I'm gonna lift it up so that you guys will see the onions. It's already popping out. I did not plant the seed like the normal seed. It is just like the one that is already grown and decayed and then started germinating. So I had to put it on the floor, the ground. Then I want to. This is more like a testing. So you can see only one. So let's open this cup and see. You see? Can you guys see? This is onions plant here in the south region. You know, understand, of this country. And I know that many people still be arguing that Oga, and I like. I'm telling you the truth. Look at it now. Look at it. If they play the show, because Namibia be your number one. Yes, Namibia be your number one. You can see, man. I'm so happy. Oh. Don't play. So you see, she's going to cover it up. So if this is the first time you're coming across my channel and this is the first time you're seeing my videos, what you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. If you're seeing it on TikTok, make sure you hit the plus sign to follow us. And you know, understand, stay tuned to this channel, guys. It's a good thing.